Hey everyone, I have a special box from Ranger Ink. I'm going to unbox it for you today. Hi, I'm Jessica Sanders. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I have no idea what's in here. I'm super excited. Ranger generously sent me these projects as part of Dina Wakley's 2019 Design Challenge. I'm a designer with Dina Wakley. I'm so excited. Dina Wakley is one of my heroes. You guys know that already. I'm super happy I'm going to be creating a project with these supplies that they sent me. And like I said, I don't know what's in here, but I know it's going to be fantastic. Look at that purple paper. Yes, love that. No, you can't see the whole entire box. It's just too big, and I couldn't figure out how to get my camera to fit it all in. It's a pretty big box, as you saw in the intro. So, here's a big reveal. I have some instructions. Ranger Design Challenge. I'm going to read that later. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. You don't know. So bubble wrap. Love bubble wrap. But of course, that's not what it's about. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yes. Okay, I have Dina Wakley Media tags. Pouring bottles. Oh, that must mean that we have some pouring supplies. I love paint pouring, and I'm really interested in seeing how these supplies work. That is going to be so fun. I am super excited about this. And look, bottles. That's awesome. Okay, tags. More tags. Bigger tags, smaller tags. Here we go. What else do we have? Mixing cups and stir sticks. Oh, that's very convenient to go with the pouring medium. Yeah, that's going to be fabulous right there. Look at those. Aren't they cute? That's so adorable. Okay, sorry, I'm totally fangirl right now. Collage words. I have some of Dina's collage words, and these may be new. A lot of these are new products, so yes. Dina Wakley Media stamps. For the love of circles. Dina knows me. I love circles. Stencil. Hearts. They're sort of abstract-y, impressionistic style hearts. Okay. And collage paper. I love her collage paper because it's printed on tissue sheets. So you can put it over other colors and the colors will show through. Especially if they're lighter, brighter colors. You can put it over dark colors and it'll give it sort of a milky background. Yes, look at that. And Dina's faces. I love her faces. Yes. Oh, more collage paper. Look at this. Circles. So this is a mix. This is not just circles, but that's what's on the top. Look at all of these. Oh. Includes 4 of each of these 5 designs. I'm excited. Yes. Okay, what else? Dina Wakley Media Board. Oh, this is also for using with the pouring medium. So it's a little bit sturdier, canvas textured, and it will work well with the pouring medium. Yes. Okay. Here we go. Scribble sticks. Yay. I love the scribble sticks. Yes. What else do I have here? Dare I look at the paints? Yes. So we have gel medium, night, white, tangerine, ocean, and gilt. Look, it's metallic. And mineral, which is a nice light gray with a blue tone to it. Oh, yes. Dina Wakley paints. Oh, yes. So happy. Craft cardstock. I love the craft paper in my Dina Wakley Media journal. Cotton watercolor paper. I'm thinking this is probably like in the book, in the Dina Wakley Media journal. There we go. Oh, and a large media board. Look, I put this in the way. Look at this. A large canvas boards. Three large canvas boards. Again, these will be great for the pouring. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys, I am super excited. 3 9x12 media boards, prime canvas, mounted a heavyweight chipboard with smooth white backing. Used with Dina Wakley Media heavy body acrylic paints, medium stamps, stencils, and more for endless creative possibilities. Boards can be cut to custom sizes ideal for book and journal making. So you could use these for your book covers, your journal covers, if you made a handmade journal, which would be super cool, right? Look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Yay. Pouring, paints, scribbling. Yes. More media boards. Collage paper. Stencils, stamps. I'm so happy they sent me these stamps, particularly because I do love circles. More pouring supplies, pouring bottles, tags, large and small, and collage words. Oh yeah. Isn't this fantastic? All right, guys, that's my unboxing. Pretty soon I'll have a project to share with you. I can't wait. All right, thanks so much. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
So just thought I would pop in here and chat with you a little bit. Coming up, I have several Dina Wakley projects that I'll be sharing with you, just playing with her media, playing with the pouring, etc. So let me know what you want to see me do, or what questions you have about her products or about mixed media in general. And don't forget to share this video with your friends if you know anyone who's interested in Dina Wakley Media or mixed media. Thank you so much. I'll see you so soon. Bye-bye.
Super happy. I'm super happy that I'm going to be creating a product. Not a product.